The Kubuqi Desert, located in northern China, is one of the largest and most unique deserts in the world. Stretching over 18,600 square kilometers, it is known for its shifting sand dunes and challenging environment. Despite its harsh conditions, the desert has become a symbol of environmental restoration and sustainable development. In recent years, the Chinese government, along with local communities and international organizations, have come together to combat desertification in the Kubuqi Desert through innovative techniques such as sand fixation, vegetation restoration, and green industries. They have successfully transformed vast areas of barren land into thriving ecosystems. One of the key initiatives in the Kubuqi Desert is the implementation of the Three-North Shelterbelt Project. This ambitious project involves planting millions of trees to create a protective barrier against sandstorms and promote biodiversity. The project has not only slowed down desertification but has also provided opportunities for local communities to engage in sustainable industries such as ecotourism and solar energy production. The success of the Kubuqi Desert Restoration Project has garnered international recognition and serves as a model for combating desertification worldwide. IT highlights the importance of collaborative efforts, innovative techniques, and a long-term vision in achieving sustainable development. The story of the Kubuqi Desert is an inspiring tale of how human determination and environmental consciousness can turn a barren wasteland into a thriving oasis. IT serves as a reminder that with the right knowledge and actions, we have the power to heal and protect our planet for future generations.